Let's get started. Start with listening, and then learn new words and practice them in sentences.
Have you ever wondered what stands between you and your dream of attending an American university? It's not just about having the will, it's also about mastering the gatekeepers, the SAT and ACT. These standardized tests are pivotal in the admissions landscape, serving as critical benchmarks for assessing a student's capability to handle college-level academic challenges. They measure everything from analytical skills to critical thinking, setting the stage for your educational journey. These tests are more than just exams, they are gateways to your future. Dive into the world of the SAT, a test that challenges and reveals. This pivotal exam serves as a cornerstone of college admissions in the United States, assessing a broad spectrum of skills from hopeful students across the globe. Let's unravel the structure of the SAT. The test is broadly divided into two main sections: evidence-based reading and writing, and math. Each section is meticulously designed to probe different facets of a student's capabilities. Starting with the evidence-based reading and writing section, this part of the SAT evaluates comprehension and clarity of expression. It includes passages from a variety of sources, historical documents to contemporary narratives, and questions that test understanding, word usage, and grammatical skills. The ability to decode complex texts and infer meanings plays a crucial role here. Switching gears to the math section, here the focus shifts to problem-solving and data analysis. Questions range from algebra to more advanced topics like geometry and trigonometry. This section tests a student's ability to apply mathematical concepts to real-world scenarios, requiring both accuracy and innovative thinking. Then there's the optional essay section. Though not required by all universities, it provides a platform to showcase analytical skills and the ability to construct a coherent argument. This part of the test requires students to read a passage and explain how the author builds an argument to persuade an audience, reflecting critical thinking and depth of understanding. Mastering the SAT means understanding its structure and the skills it measures. By dissecting its components, students can tailor their preparation to excel in each area, turning challenges into opportunities for success. Now, let's explore another titan of college admissions, the ACT. This test, like the SAT, is a key player in the college admissions process. However, it sports a unique format designed to measure a student's readiness for university-level coursework. The ACT is composed of four main sections: English, math, reading, and science, with an optional writing test thrown into the mix. Let's break these down. First, the English section. Over the course of 45 minutes, it assesses your understanding of standard written English and rhetorical skills. Think punctuation, grammar, sentence structure, and the organization of ideas. Next, the math section. This 60-minute segment tests your mathematical skills typically acquired in courses up to the start of 12th grade. From algebra to geometry to trigonometry, it's all on the table. The reading section follows. Here, over 35 minutes, you'll be asked to read 4 passages and answer questions about them. This section measures your reading comprehension skills. Then comes the science section. Unlike the SAT, the ACT includes a 35-minute segment that assesses your interpretation, analysis, evaluation, reasoning, and problem-solving skills in a scientific context. It's not about memorizing facts, but about understanding the scientific method and data interpretation. Lastly, the optional writing test. In 40 minutes, you're asked to write an essay about a given topic. This section evaluates your written communication skills and your ability to develop an argument. The ACT's unique inclusion of a science section adds another dimension to your test preparation. But how do these tests translate your answers into a score that colleges see? Well, let's delve into the scoring systems of the SAT and ACT. Both exams use a complex method known as scaled scoring. Essentially, this means that your raw score, the number of questions you answer correctly, is converted into a scale score. This scale adjusts for slight differences in difficulty across different test versions, ensuring fairness. Now, the significance of percentile ranks cannot be understated. Your percentile rank indicates how your score compares to those of other test takers. For instance, a percentile rank of 80 means you scored higher than 80% of the participants. It's a valuable indicator of your relative performance. Also, there's a fascinating concept known as superscoring. This involves colleges considering only the highest section scores from multiple test dates, which they then combine to form your optimal composite score. This can significantly benefit students by showcasing their highest achievements across test attempts. Understanding the scoring helps you strategize your approach to these exams. Scene script. Achieving a high score is crucial, but what else do universities look for? While standardized tests like the SAT and ACT play a significant role, American universities adopt a holistic approach to admissions. This method evaluates more than just numerical scores. It's about understanding the entire narrative of an applicant. Firstly, the grade point average, or GPA, is not just a number. It reflects consistent academic performance and intellectual curiosity over several years. Universities scrutinize the rigor of courses taken, favoring students who challenge themselves with advanced classes. Extracurricular activities also carry substantial weight. They reveal a candidate's passions and commitments outside the classroom, showcasing leadership, teamwork, and the ability to balance multiple responsibilities. Moreover, essays offer a window into an applicant's personality, critical thinking, and writing skills. They are a platform for students to articulate their unique perspectives and life experiences. Letters of recommendation further enrich this profile, providing insights into the student's character and potential from those who know them well. A well-rounded application can be as influential as a high test score. With the right strategies, conquering these exams becomes a feasible goal. Let's dive into the practical tips that can transform your exam preparation journey. First and foremost, practice tests are invaluable. They not only familiarize you with the format and types of questions you will encounter, but also help you gauge your current level. By simulating the real exam environment, you can identify your strengths and pinpoint areas that require more focus. Moving forward, the digital age offers a plethora of online resources at your fingertips. Engaging with interactive tutorials, educational videos, and even virtual study groups can enhance your learning. Websites dedicated to SAT and ACT preparation, for instance, provide a wealth of practice questions and detailed explanations that are crucial for understanding the underlying concepts rather than just memorizing answers. Furthermore, consider enrolling in a prep course. These courses are structured to guide you through the entire syllabus with the help of expert instructors who can offer insights and shortcuts that books or online resources might miss. The structured timetable of a prep course also helps in managing one of the biggest challenges: time management. Learning to allocate your time effectively during preparation and the exam itself can significantly boost your performance. Managing test anxiety is another critical aspect. Techniques such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, or even talking through your anxieties with someone can dramatically reduce stress and improve your concentration during the exam. Equip yourself with these strategies and turn your preparation into success. Every journey to university is unique. How will you forge your path? Crafting a personalized study plan is not just about filling your calendar with study sessions. It's about understanding and playing to your strengths while systematically addressing your weaknesses. Start by assessing which areas of the SAT or ACT challenge you the most. Is it the critical reading sections or perhaps the math problems? Once you've pinpointed these areas, allocate more time to them in your study schedule, but remember, balance is key. It's crucial to intersperse these intense study periods with subjects you excel in to maintain motivation and confidence. Consider also the rhythm of your daily life. Are you a morning person, or do you find your stride in the evening? Schedule your study sessions when you are most alert and productive. Incorporate regular breaks and time for relaxation, ensuring you do not burn out. Lastly, reflect on your progress periodically. Adjust your plan as you discover what works best for you, keeping your ultimate goal in sight. Your personalized plan is your blueprint for success. Craft it wisely.
Let's learn new words and practice English at an advanced level. Standardized tests. Standardized tests, exams that are administered and scored in a consistent manner to ensure legal defensibility of the results. Example: standardized tests like the SAT and ACT are critical components of college admissions in the United States. Preparatory course. Preparatory course, a course taken to prepare for a specific test or exam, often focusing on strategies and content areas. Example: many students enroll in preparatory courses to improve their scores on admissions exams. Test-taking strategies. Test-taking strategies, techniques that aid in more effectively approaching exams and assessments. Example, developing strong test-taking strategies, such as time management and question analysis, can greatly enhance your performance on admissions exams. Mock exam. Mock exam, a practice test that simulates the conditions of the actual exam. Example, taking mock exams can help you familiarize yourself with the format and timing of the real test, reducing anxiety and improving confidence. Critical thinking. Critical thinking, the objective analysis and evaluation of an issue in order to form a judgment. Example, admissions exams often assess critical thinking skills, requiring students to analyze, synthesize, and evaluate information. Analytical writing. Analytical writing, writing that involves a detailed examination of elements or structure of something, typically as a basis for discussion or interpretation. Example, the GRE includes an analytical writing section where students must construct clear and logical arguments. Quantitative reasoning. Quantitative reasoning, the ability to use mathematical concepts to solve problems and interpret data. Example, quantitative reasoning is a significant part of most admissions exams, testing students' ability to reason and solve problems with numerical data. Verbal reasoning. Verbal reasoning, the capacity to understand, analyze, and find meaning in language by completing reading comprehension and vocabulary questions. Example, verbal reasoning sections on exams like the SAT evaluate your ability to understand and process written information.